Hello viewer. In this video we will see the list of keyboard shortcuts from A to Z. Please subscribe to motivate us for more such contents. A. Alt plus F4, close the current window. Alt plus Tab, switch between open programs or windows. Control plus A, select all items in a document or window. B. Control plus B, bold text in a document or browser. Control plus backspace, delete the previous word. C. Control plus C, copy selected text or items. Control plus V, paste copied text or items. Control plus X, cut selected text or items. D. Control plus D, bookmark the current page in a web browser. Control plus F4, close the current document in some applications. E. Control plus E, centraline text in a document. Control plus Enter, insert a page break in a document. F. Control plus F, open the Find dialog to search for text. Alt plus F, open the File menu in many applications. G. Control plus G, go to a specific page or location. Control plus Shift plus G, open the Go to dialog in some applications. H. Control plus H, open the Find and Replace dialog in many applications. Control plus Home, move to the beginning of a document or web page. I. Control plus I, italicize text in a document or browser. Control plus Insert, copy selected text or items. J. Control plus J, open the Downloads window in a web browser. K. Control plus K, insert a hyperlink in a document or browser. L. Control plus L, select the address bar in a web browser. Control plus left arrow, move the cursor to the beginning of the previous word. M. Control plus M, indent the selected text in a document. N. Control plus N, open a new window or document. Control plus Shift plus N, create a new folder. O. Control plus O, open a file. Control plus Shift plus O, open the browser's bookmark manager. P. Control plus P, print the current document. Control plus Shift plus P, open a new private browsing window in some browsers. Q. Alt plus F4, quit or close a program. R. Control plus R, refresh the current page in a web browser. Control plus S, save the current document. T. Control plus T, open a new tab in a web browser. Control plus Shift plus T, reopen the last closed tab in a web browser. Control plus Tab, switch between open tabs in a web browser. U. Control plus U, open the source code of a web page in a web browser. V. Control plus V, paste copied text or items. Control plus Shift plus V, paste text without formatting. W. Control plus W, close the current tab or window. Control plus Shift plus W, close all open tabs or windows. X. Control plus X, cut selected text or items. Control plus Shift plus X, convert selected text to uppercase. Y. Control plus Y, redo the last action. Control plus Shift plus Y, open the history window in a web browser. Z. Control plus Z, undo the last action. Control plus Shift plus Z, redo the last undone action. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to motivate us for more such contents.